Excuse me. Are you Barbie?
Hi. Yes,
I'm the doll Jennifer threw away because she wanted Barbie.
No, that's a bad thing, huh?
Look how she turned out.
Well, I could see maybe you're a little intense.
Oh, you think I'm intense? You haven't seen intense. Oh, you have it coming.
Excuse me? Everything okay here?
Oh, who are you?
Oh, I'm Hoodora. Why?
Excuse me, smoker call.
I know you are not talking to me like that when you got 2 cops away from collapsing, honey, to your own death.
Well, I'm not talking to you.
Oh, hold on. Oh! What were you saying, ho? Who care? I told you. Shut up. Get up or get out, and don't ever approach her again like that. Do you hear me? That's a pregnant woman, bitch.
All right.